Hey friends, I'm so glad you're here. Let's draw some adorable bows together. I'm Carrie Cantwell and I am an illustrator, a surface designer, and an educator. You might have seen some of my art in stores like Pottery Barn, Michael's, and Urban Outfitters. And believe it or not, it all started with drawings just like the ones we're about to make today. In fact, one of my bow illustrations landed me right in Target. That's the magic of creating cute, on-trend motifs. They don't just make your art more fun, they make it more marketable. In this class, I'll show you how to add bows to everything. We will draw bows on animals, on portraits, and even on a simple box, instantly turning it into a sweet gift. You'll also learn how to create standalone bows that are trendy, licensable art motifs. In this class, I will also explain how to draw a bow and bow anatomy. This class ties directly into my other Skillshare class, 5 Essential Elements of a Pitch-Perfect Portfolio for Art Licensing. If you've taken that one, this is your next step. We're going to make artwork that is irresistibly cute and ready for licensing opportunities. You can find the class by just visiting my Skillshare profile page and scrolling down to where it says Classes. All you need for this class is an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and the Procreate app. This class is excellent for beginners. As long as you have a basic familiarity with the Procreate app, you'll be able to follow along just fine. So, are you ready? Grab your iPad and let's put a bow on it.